Ayan. Ready na ba, Jollibee? Okay, ready. Yeah. Hanggang dyan lang daw. Hanggang dyan lang. Okay, walang gagalaw. Bago ko sumaya si Jollibee, kailangan isang malakas na palakpak galing sa inyo lahat. Palakpakan muna natin lahat. Si Jollibee. Ready, Jollibee? Ups. Wow.
Wow. Wow. Ayos. Wow.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Picture
so
daw.
this time, family picture muna. Si Mami, si Daddy, of course, si Jollibee, and Jasmine. And after that, lahat tayo pwede magpa-picture. Okay, Daddy? Family picture muna. Sino pwede kumuha ng picture? Mami, sino po family picture muna? Family picture.
Hello.
Family picture muna, Daddy. Daddy, family picture muna. Okay, ready? One,
Pasawag kasi
two,
lang.
okay, isa pa. Jollibee.
Pasawag kasi lang.
1, 2, and 3. Okay, Mami, thank you message. Ano po gusto mo sabihin sa lahat ng mga friends? Na makasama sa trabaho?
Lahat ng mga sa birthday ng anak ko, maraming salamat talaga sa inyo lahat.
Palakpakan naman po natin lahat si Mami at saka si Daddy. Thank you very much. In behalf of management and marketing team, Jollibee Galindia, we would like to thank for Mami and Daddy for choosing us to celebrate the first birthday party of
Picture tayo.
here at Jollibee Galindia. At syempre,